Tinnitus. So many people are coming up nowadays and saying, Doctor, help me. There's a buzzing sound coming in my ear. They may be youngsters, may be adults, or the elderly. So, what is tinnitus? Tinnitus is a buzzing sound or some weird sound which emits from the ear, which may be intermittent or may be continuous and interferes with your sleep or with your day to day life. It's a cry of dying nerves. When the inner ear is affected, with or without hearing loss, this sound comes. This is called tinnitus.